Pamamanhikan is one tradition that most of us know, yet many couples today overlook or skip it in their relationships. So, what exactly is pamamanhikan? It is a traditional Filipino custom where a man and his family formally visit the woman's family to ask for her hand and marriage to seek the parents' blessing before the wedding. This practice is not just a simple meeting, it is a celebrated event that symbolizes respect, unity, and the joining of two families. And according to Bria Holmes, pamamanhikan is more than just a proposal. Traditionally, the groom's family and the bride's family discuss wedding plans and the details together. And the ceremony often include meals, bonding time, and help both families to get to know each other. Despite these changes, pamamanhikan should still be remembered and practiced because it honors family bonds and cultural heritage. It offers meaningful way to show respect, seek blessings, and build unity between family values and help couples start their married life with strong support and understanding.